Hello viewers, in today's video we are learning spotting errors, and this is also effective for editing and proofreading. Okay, in the previous video I have taught you how to proofread and how to edit. Okay, so let's start. The average age at which people begin to need eyeglasses vary considerably. Okay, here we have section A, B, C and D. Okay, the average age at which people begin to need eyeglasses vary. So up to this sentence is smooth, but here we have one error or mistake. What is this mistake? Because this mistake is subject verb agreement. Here we have third, which means singular subject. The average age varies considerably, so we need varies, third person singular. Okay, you can see. So this is what, that this is editing, this is editing. Okay, and proofreading. Okay, the next one. Not long after Galileo's time, Sir Isaac Newton invented another kind of telescope, which he used mirror instead of lenses. So this is correct, this is correct. The problem is here. Okay, the problem is here because we need one word. This shows you to put one more word. In is required. In is required, in which he used. Okay, so this is proofreading and editing. The next one. Despite the disappearance of the Maya Empire, there are still Mayas in the region in which they once inhabited. Despite this section is clear, there are still Maya clear. Okay, the problem is here because in the region one preposition is already here. This preposition is additional, so we should remove this one. Use this symbol, okay, to remove a word or a letter. So in is not required here. The next point. Treasure Island, the book that made Robert Louis Stevenson famous, has became a bestseller for reader young and old. Here what is the problem? Here has word problem is here, so we should remove became, okay, and should write become. So this is editing and proofreading. Okay, you are learning here proofreading, how to proofread. Today you are student, tomorrow you will be a scholar. So this symbol is used to remove. Okay, the next point. To be good for agriculture purpose, soil must have in it the mineral plants. So here you have past tense, but this is present, and with the present we need what? We need required, not required. Okay, if the sentence is in past, then the required was correct. But here, to be a good for agriculture purpose, soil must have. So this is present since, so this word must be in, because this is tense sequence. According to the tense sequence, so here we had required, but I have removed this one with this symbol, so no, this is required. Try to understand. In spite of its small size, Europe has a great impact on world history than any other continent. In spite of its small size, Europe has a great, no, this is present. Okay, here is the problem. Here is the problem. Okay, what is the problem? No, this is impact, but we need what? We need one more word, present perfect. Okay, present perfect is used that an action took place in past and still going on, or the impact of the action is still there. So this is not the matter of the day. It means it took place in past, okay, and the impact is still there. So has had was required. So this is important. So this is proofreading and editing. because the farms of Europe produce less food that the people need, some products must be bring from other world, other lands. So this is smooth, this is smooth. What is the problem? The problem is here. 2 must be removed and this must be removed and brought is required because this is actio, but here we have be, and with be we should use past tense, past participle. It means third form of the verb. Brought was required. So this is editing and proofreading practice. Among the most remarkable eyes are those of the dragonfly, for this insect has compound eyes, makeup of tiny eyes. Look here. Among the most remarkable eyes are those of the dragonfly, for this insect has compound eyes. No, this is not, makeup, not makeup. We need made up. Put made up. बन गए हैं. So made up of tiny eyes. Okay. The next one is, so we remove this one and we put another word. The police investigation reveal, this is past, that the thieves have planned the robbery carefully before they stole. Before they stole, this is here, correct. The tense problem is here. So we need past perfect because it means had planned. An action took place before another action took place. So had is required. This is the function of past perfect. Okay. So it means the student has committed mistake and you are going to correct. So present perfect was required. Past perfect was required because the thief had already planned. Okay. So this is why it means one action completed before another action. So this is very important. So had planned was required, not present perfect, because it is the function of past perfect to show that an action took place before another action started or took place. Okay. Then by watching sunpots, great storm which rage on the surface of the sun, scientists discovered whether the sun spins on its axis. Look here, the problem is here. What is the problem? We can't use whether. We can't use whether. We should use that because we have to join a noun clause, okay, with the rest of the sentence. You can use whether in that case if you have negative statement. Okay, if suppose scientists had not discovered whether the sun spins on its axis or not, it was correct, but in this situation we don't have a negative statement, therefore we should use that to join this class. Okay, so this is very important. This is structure. Suppose whether, so before whether they did not know whether he was there or not. No, this sentence is correct. In this case, this is incorrect. These early people didn't learn how to make bronze until 1500 BC, but they have done excellent work with their meal. No, again tense problem. Okay, so look here, did not. So this is tense sequence. So we have clue, past tense. No, we need what? We need past simple. It means they did excellent. So we need past simple because an action take place in past and completed in past. So this is very important as far as your grammar accuracy is concerned. Try your best Okay, whenever you write your own draft, first draft, second draft, then learn how to edit, how to proofread. This is the way I have tried my best to make you clear, especially regarding proofreading and editing. Thank you very much.